Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Fine?
I'm not.
Not fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, जिज्ञासा. आज थोड़ी सी जिज्ञासा की आवाज अच्छी लग रही है ना? थोड़ी लाइवली लाइवली सी, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning,
Well,
ma'am.
Good morning, Jay. Good morning. How are you?
मैम बढ़िया.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Are you
Good morning,
working on
ma'am.
another book? Good morning, Gargi. Jay is working on another book.
No, मैम not currently. अभी तो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं.
You need to focus on your boards right now. That's good. That's really very good. Okay. Yesterday, I think we were doing civics only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what were we supposed to do in civics? Let me share the screen.
Ma'am, exercises.
We were doing exercises.
We have to start.
Okay, we have to start with exercises. Let me share first. 2 people are in waiting room. Let them wait for a minute. Chapter 7. Outcomes of democracy. View. Admit all. Okay. Back to the sharing part. Here comes the share.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Was this Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. ये पुनीत है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Let us start with the question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how does democracy produce an accountable, responsive, and legitimate government? बताइए. Yash Mehta.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, it's on page 91, first para.
Hmm.
In a democracy, people have the right to choose their rulers and they have control over the rulers. Whenever possible and necessary, citizens are able to participate in the decision making that affects them all. Therefore, the most basic outcome of democracy is that it produces a government that is accountable to the citizens and responsive to the needs and expectations of the citizens.
Very good. This answer only will be there.
You can write this paragraph.
Yes, entire paragraph in 2 points.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Excuse me. Next question. Do I need to read the answer again? Class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the next question. What are the conditions under which democracies accommodate social diversities? What are the conditions under which democracies accommodate social diversities? Who would answer this question? Class?
I'm searching.
Yes. Nana will tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am, just searching.
Hmm. Tell beta. Puneet, Jay, others. Yes, Gargi will answer this question.
May I?
Chalo, Jay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jay. Yes, Jay.
Conditions under which democracies accommodate social diversities are: it is necessary to understand that a democracy is not simply ruled by majority opinion.
Hmm.
The majority always need to work with the minority so that government functions to represent the general view.
ठीक
It
है.
is also necessary that the rule by majority does not become ruled by majority community in terms of religion, race, or linguistic group.
ठीक है. See on page number 96, it is given. Got
Which
it?
para?
Beta, page 96 on right hand side, there are two dotted lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Both these you need to
Okay.
write for this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Right, class? Gargi, yours was the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Gargi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Coming to the next question. Give arguments to support. Give arguments to support or oppose the following assertions. Industrialized countries can afford democracy, but the poor need dictatorship to become rich. Is that so?
No, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavli. Give reasons for the same.
Ma'am, can we give example in this question?
Can we give?
Example.
You can. You can give examples. बताओ बेटा, Manchu.
Ma'am, I'm finding.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Karthi.
Ma'am, it is given on page 93, second paragraph, right hand
Page
side.
93.
Ma'am, second paragraph. Ma'am, according to the facts, the difference in the rates of economic development between less developed countries with dictatorships and democracies is negligible.
नहीं, ठीक है, वो आप सही कह रहे हो. वो ये कह रहा है कि आप इस स्टेटमेंट को सपोर्ट करते हो कि अपोज करते हो. आपको लगता है कि दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? हाँ,
No, ma'am.
है ना? So you will first write that this is an incorrect statement. Then in support of the statement, you can put up the examples जिम्बाब्वे का एग्जाम्पल आप लिख सकते हो. जिम्बाब्वे हमने भाई ये दोनों कंट्रीज जो हैं देखो इनको थर्ड नेशंस में डाला गया था डेवलपिंग वाले उसके अंदर. बट इंडिया को अगर आप देखो तो इंडिया में जो डेवलपमेंट का जो रेट है वो काफी हाई है इन कंपैरिजन टू जिम्बाब्वे. दो जिम्बाब्वे में रिसोर्सेज बहुत अच्छे से हैं बट बिकॉज द लीडर वाज नॉट वर्किंग इन अकॉर्डेंस टू द नीड्स ऑफ द पीपल, इस वजह से वहां का जो डेवलपमेंट पेस है वो कम हो गया. वो एक तरीके से डिक्टेटरी तो था, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I read out this answer, it will go like this. This statement is incorrect as can be seen from the examples of India and Zimbabwe. In 1947, India was included in the third world nations, but now it is one of the fast growing economies in the world. On the other hand, Zimbabwe, which was a fairly prosperous nation, has run into huge international debt with the progression of Robert Mugabe's regime. Class 9th, we read about Robert Mugabe, no, how he was ruling, he was changing, he was amending, the constitution to fulfill his actually needs and demands which he wanted to have, to be the president of the country, lifelong president. He declared himself as the lifelong president of the country. Plus censorship was imposed, media was not allowed to work independently or put up the views independently. So all these things, they had stopped the development of the country. You can write this way. Will this be fine?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji beta. Yes,
Ma'am, Aiza texted that she is having pain in her arm, so she left the class.
ठीक है. In the chat box or in the class group she has posted?
Ma'am, she has texted me personally on WhatsApp.
Okay. हाँ जी. First argument clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Democracy can't reduce inequality of incomes between different citizens. Do you agree or do you oppose?
Ma'am, oppose.
You agree? Give a statement in support.
Ma'am, yes, the democracy cannot reduce the income inequality as the different sectional communities, they have different professions, and like income quality, it cannot decide the value of democracy, because democracy also brings social and political equality to the people.
दोबारा बोलो. बेटा, say it again.
Ma'am, yes, that
बोलो. Gargi.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you say?
Ma'am, till now I have
Ma'am,
not said
Nana was
anything.
Acha, I thought you were saying something. Okay, Nana, are you over? Please repeat your answer again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I agree that democracy cannot reduce income inequality, as like there are also different sectional communities which have different professions, and income equality, like it cannot give the value of democracy, because democracy also brings social and political equality, and every person in the country has also the right to vote and like have fundamental rights. So income is self-generated, like we only decide according to our like which profession we are having.
Okay. Let us have Pavni's view also. Yes, Pavni.
Ma'am, according to me, I oppose this statement. I say that democracy can reduce inequality of incomes between different citizens by providing everyone equal job opportunities. Obviously, it cannot completely finish the inequality of incomes, but can definitely reduce it to a point.
Yes. Depending upon how a person is encashing on the opportunities and the facilities that are given to them, right?
Yes, ma'am. Like democracy can reduce providing job opportunities to every citizen
Yes, we
or
can.
to the lower sector more.
See, we have several provisions in our country, no? Yes, Gargi, your viewpoint now?
Ma'am, I support this statement that yes, democracy cannot reduce inequality of incomes between different citizens. Because as we see,
Because as we see, Gargi, Gargi got muted or what?
ma'am, I got disconnected.
Acha. Okay. Say it.
And ma'am, I was saying that we can see that democracies are based on principle of political equality. But then practically, if we see, then we find a small number of ultra-rich enjoy a highly disproportionate share of wealth and incomes.
Yes.
Not only that, the share in the total income of the country has been increasing, while those at the bottom of the society have very little to depend upon and their incomes have been declining.
Yes. See, in the book, it is very clearly it is given, no? Democracies are based on political equality. All individuals are equal weight in elect. अच्छा, इसको छोड़ दो. We find growing economic inequalities. A small number of ultra-rich enjoying a highly disproportionate share of wealth and incomes. Not only that, their share in the total income of the country has been increasing. Those at the bottom of the society have very little to depend upon. Their incomes have been declining. Sometimes they find it difficult to meet their basic needs of life. Then you can see whatever you have in this particular page topic for this introduction of inequality and poverty. You can pick up any of the clauses and you can use it, because see, even in the last paragraph that we have, it says that in actual life democracies do not appear to be very successful in reducing economic inequalities, because the democratically elected governments do not appear to be as keen to address the question of poverty as we expect them to. Right class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And for the first statement, what Gargi you said, that also we can write. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
See, what you can pick up any particular point from the book and you can write for that particular topic which is used there. Then the next statement says, government in poor countries should spend less on poverty reduction, health, education, and spend more on industries and infrastructure. बताओ. Class. Ujjwal? Are you there, Ujjwal?
Yes, ma'am.
If you could tell this answer.
I'm searching.
Okay. Devansh, Pavni, Jigyasa, Apurva, so
Yes,
many are
ma'am.
there. Ananya, Harsh, Mohit, Gangwar, Mohit Kumar, Naman, Puneet, Samarth, Srishti.
Yes, ma'am, searching.
Okay.
Ma'am, I find this statement wrong, as government in poor countries
Hmm.
should spend more on the poverty reduction for the betterment of their people,
For the
in
betterment
spite
of
of spending on industries and infrastructure. First, they should better the lives of the people from the
huh? Yes, it is correct. They need to maintain a balance actually, right?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Gargi,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to say something.
No, ma'am, it's just the same.
Huh. Because see, if the poor countries they maintain a balance between the investment on poverty, food, clothing, health, education, and industries, uh, and because health and education are the most important components of human development, whereas talking about the industries and infrastructure, they ultimately lead to the economic development. But if other factors are not looked into, how these factors are going to be looked upon? If we are focusing on health and education of the people, ultimately country will grow, because we know that we have invested in the human resource, and human resource of any country is more powerful than any other factor, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Then next statement is, in democracy all citizens have one vote, which means that there is absence of any domination and conflict. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
It is not correct. Uska karan batao. Why?
Ma'am, because having a vote does not ensure that the person might not have conflicting ideas, but
Hmm.
having a vote ensures that the conflicts do not grow.
Exactly. And see, we all know that conflict is something that is not separated from the society, where people of different different mindset are living together. There has to be some conflict, but democracies, they do ensure that these conflicts can be resolved in a peaceful manner, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the other point that it says, like I'm reading, I'll read out the answer for you. The principle of one vote does not mean that there is an absence of any domination and conflict in democracy. First, no society can fully and permanently resolve conflicts among different groups, but we can certainly learn to respect these differences, and we can also evolve mechanisms to negotiate the differences. Like we know the example of Belgium, how in Belgium the constitution was amended to accommodate the diversities which were there, and to ensure there is that no conflict takes place among the different communities that were there in the country, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it also says that democracy is best suited to produce this outcome, that accommodation of democracy, accommodation of diversity of different communities that we have takes place. But non-democratic regime, they often turn a blind eye to suppress the internal social differences. Ability to handle social differences, divisions, and conflict is a definite plus point of democratic regimes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it says, though in a democracy all citizens have one vote, but this does not mean that there is an absence of any domination, because in most of the democracies the real power is with few leaders. These leaders are generally influenced by the members of a family, right? Yes, it can be correct, Ujjwal. Right? चलिए, coming to the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
question. Coming to the next question. भाई आप लोग भी पढ़ो. Will you make me tired? I have to take so many classes. हाँ? Ujjwal, read. Question number 4.
Identify challenges to democracy in the following description.
Hmm.
Also suggest policy, institutional mechanism to
Deep.
deepen democracy in given situations.
Hmm.
First, following a High Court directive, a temple in Orissa that had separate entry doors for Dalits and non-Dalits allowed entry for all from the same door.
ये किस तरीके का चैलेंज है टू डेमोक्रेसी?
May I?
यस कार्की.
Ma'am, it is regarding the accommodation of social diversity.
वेरी गुड. सजेस्ट करो किस तरीके से इसको खत्म किया जा सकता है.
Equal status to all citizens.
But how? How equal status to all citizens? दे सकते हैं, पर कैसे? क्या प्रोविजन हम लगाएंगे इसमें, बताओ. Ten. Through constitution we can have equality. Ujjwal? बेटा क्लास. पुनीत. हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
भाई, सबसे पहले तो ये जो चीज बता रहे हैं दलित्स और नॉन दलित्स वाला, ये कास्टिज्म हो गया, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और कास्टिज्म को खत्म करने के लिए व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन यूज द नॉर्म ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, राइट? देन वी कैन प्रमोट नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स, spread of education. These could be done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the next part, it says a large number of farmers are committing suicide in different states of India. So what is the problem or the challenge over here?
Economic disparity.
You can say poverty or economic inequality, you can say. So any suggestions for the removal of this? How can we ensure that these farmers are not committing suicide?
I'm providing loans at low cost.
Providing loans at low cost, or by लोन्स तो देखो गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है, उसके बाद भी इतनी ज्यादा कंडीशन बेटर हो नहीं रही है। अगर हम एग्रीकल्चर में डाइवर्सिफिकेशन कर दें तो, सेग्रीगेशन कर दें तो वो उसमें से भी इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? और दूसरा, टू प्रमोट एग्रीकल्चर अमंग पीपल। अब प्रमोट कैसे करेंगे? बाय टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, है ना? अगर आप किसी एक पर्टिकुलर उसको लेते हो इन एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड, भाई आज की डेट में आप देखो सो मेनी पीपल आर इनग्रॉस्ड इन दिस, दे फील कि एग्रीकल्चर ज्यादा इजी है देन एनीथिंग एल्स। रीजन बीइंग, इफ दे आर स्पेशलाइज्ड, इफ दे कैन फाइंड वेज टू गेट मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्शन, तो वो अपने आप में जो है एक जो है बेनिफिट हो जाता है। जैसे मशरूम को अगर आप लो, मशरूम का एग्जांपल आप लो, मशरूम वाज नॉट इजीली अवेलेबल, बट आज की डेट में बिकॉज ऑफ द अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल प्लस द methods which are involved, it does not require much of your energy. Only one time investment is there. You need to have those conditions where mushrooms can survive properly, and throughout the season you can have these mushrooms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And going for those kind of agricultural crops which give you maximum benefit will also help the farmers to get maximum of the profit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And how agriculture could be promoted? Government can bring several schemes where it is supporting the farmers to go for the agriculture, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us have the next question. चलिए बताइए। Puneet, read out. बेटा बताओ। Puneet, read out.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ भाई।
From where?
You don't know where we are reading. Puneet, don't tell me this.
I was disconnected in between.
You got disconnected. We are doing fourth statement. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth statement, last one. Fourth question, last statement. बोलो बेटा। Hanji Puneet, what Viresh saying? No, he is not in waiting room. I just now checked. Nobody is there in the waiting room.
I am there in the meeting.
Read out beta Puneet.
Question.
Following allegation of killing of 3 civilians in Gurudwara in a fake encountered by the Jammu and Kashmir police. An inquiry has been ordered. So what kind of problem or challenges here?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Lena. Yes, Lena, tell.
We can say the challenge is to control the power of the officials or the police are there.
They might be, ma'am.
Challenge is, Lena, what did you say? What is the challenge? Challenge is about the
Ma'am, to control the power of the police
नहीं,
or
नहीं,
the authority.
Here the challenge is security of the citizens. भाई वो कह रहा है गुरुद्वारे में घुस के 3 सिविलियंस को मार दिया गया फेक इनकाउंटर में. तो यहाँ तो सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द सिटीजन हो गया ना मेन प्रॉब्लम जो है चैलेंज जो है.
मैं तो गांडवा रहा है।
पे भी तो कंट्रोल होना चाहिए ना कि वो ऐसे फेक इनकाउंटर ऐसे कर सकते हैं.
क्या चीज
मेयर इट इज गांडवा।
मैम पर
हाँ,
जैसे
गुरुद्वारा-
पुलिस की पावर भी तो कंट्रोल करवाना
पुलिस
चाहिए
के-
क्योंकि
हाँ,
ऐसे जैसे
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए पुलिस
क्योंकि
में.
ऐसे जैसे करते हैं.
हाँ, ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए. पुलिस जो है किसी को भी उठा के जो है गोली नहीं मार सकती है. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, दूसरी चीज ये
Yes,
होती है कि भाई जो है क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जो चैलेंज है इट इज अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द सिटीजंस. तो उसमें जो है भाई जो ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन है उसको प्रमोट करना चाहिए, है ना. ठीक है.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक कंप्लीट हो गया. हाउ मच टाइम आर वी लेफ्ट विद? हाउ मेनी मिनट्स डू वी हैव?
Ma'am, one.
चलो तो ठीक है. 1 मिनट इट इज नॉट शोइंग बट ऐसा क्यों?
Ma'am, actually the meeting has restarted, I guess. You were disconnected, no?
yes, ma'am.
ये keeping camera on disconnects me from the meeting. Since yesterday I am facing this problem. I will not keep the camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
I think
That's why we
with you
don't
people
open
also the
camera.
same problem is
That's why we
there,
don't
no?
open camera.
हाँ, this is what. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Geography questions.
Geography questions. एकदम आखिरी में you are telling me बेटा. आप एक काम करो पुनीत, कौन से geography questions हमें करने हैं? That PDF वाला thing.
No lifeline.
Ma'am, we don't have to do.
Why?
To do.
Why you don't have?
Ma'am, the pipeline lifelines of India we have done.
No
Ma'am,
questions we have
manufacturing
done. The
industry is not done.
additional questions which were there, we have done those additional questions.
Only 9 we have done.
Huh?
We have done 9 questions.
Okay, we have done 9 questions. Okay.
Ma'am, 10.
Yes, ma'am. 9 or 10.
Fine. So remind me tomorrow. We will continue with that. Okay. After finishing civics, we'll continue with the geography one. Right?
Yes, ma'am.